So I haven't come up with a pretty way to show off this Frost King that I got for my water line. One of the things that happens in winter, if you're set up like this, the water line freezes, right? This is the third year I've used it, but I just want to show it to you really quickly because it really does work. So the end of it is like a regular plug, and I've got a available slot here and a GFCI plug, so I just plug it in when I know it's going to freeze at night. I just tape it to the water hose every few inches, right? And then once I get all of it taped, I get some pipe insulation. This is the 1-inch hole, I believe. Might be a little bit bigger, don't quote me on that part. And then I put this over it, put that over it, and tape that up every few inches to hold in the insulation. And like I said, I've been using this. This will be my third winter. I've had no problems with it at all. It's been awesome.